Welcome to our channel, fellow explorers. Today we're embarking on a cosmic journey to unravel the mysteries of alien worlds. Prepare to have your mind blown as we delve into the mind-boggling possibilities of planets beyond our solar system. Get ready to explore planets with atmospheres made entirely of hydrogen, worlds with gravity so strong they'd crush you like a bug, and even planets that change color like cosmic chameleons. Fasten your seatbelts, space cadets, because things are about to get seriously cosmic. So, you think Earth has a lot of hydrogen? Think again. While Earth does have a significant amount of hydrogen, it's nothing compared to some of the other celestial bodies out there. We're talking about planets with atmospheres almost entirely made of hydrogen, the lightest element in the universe. These planets are often gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn in our own solar system, but there are also smaller rocky planets with hydrogen-rich atmospheres. Imagine a planet where the sky isn't blue but a hazy pale pink from all that hydrogen. The light scattering in such an atmosphere would create a surreal, almost dreamlike landscape, unlike anything we've ever seen on Earth. Could life as we know it exist on a world so strange? Probably not. The conditions on these planets would be incredibly harsh, with extreme temperatures and pressures that would make it difficult for life to survive. You see, hydrogen is highly reactive. It doesn't just float around on its own, it tends to bond with other elements to form compounds. This reactivity is a double-edged sword, making hydrogen both a potential building block for life and a challenge for life to manage. On Earth, it bonds with oxygen to form water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. Water is essential for all known forms of life, acting as a solvent and medium for biochemical reactions. But on a hydrogen-dominated planet, life would need to find a way to exist without readily available oxygen. This would require entirely different biochemistry, perhaps based on other elements like sulfur or nitrogen. And let's not forget the buoyancy issue. In a hydrogen-rich atmosphere, objects would be much more buoyant than on Earth. This could lead to some fascinating adaptations in any potential life forms. Hydrogen is so light that you'd need a pretty good reason not to just float away. Imagine creatures that have evolved to navigate this buoyant environment, perhaps using gas bladders or other mechanisms to control their buoyancy. Think giant, gas-filled organisms or some kind of biological jet propulsion system. These adaptations would be necessary for survival in such a unique environment. But here's where things get really interesting. Under certain conditions, hydrogen can exhibit some truly bizarre properties. Under immense pressure, hydrogen can actually act like a metal. This metallic hydrogen is thought to exist in the cores of gas giants like Jupiter, where the pressure is millions of times greater than on Earth's surface. Imagine oceans of metallic hydrogen swirling with electric currents. These oceans could conduct electricity and generate magnetic fields, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Could these metallic hydrogen oceans harbor some form of exotic life? It's a tantalizing possibility. Life in such an environment would be unlike anything we've ever encountered, with entirely different chemistry and biology. It's a question that keeps astrophysicists up at night. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most exciting and challenging endeavors in science, and hydrogen-dominated planets are a key part of that search. And what about the possibility of hydrogen rain? In the right conditions, hydrogen could condense and fall as rain, creating a truly alien weather system. Picture this, torrential downpours of liquid hydrogen, filling vast alien seas. These seas would be incredibly cold and inhospitable, but they could also be home to unique forms of life adapted to these extreme conditions. It's a sight that would make even the most seasoned astronaut gasp in awe. The sheer strangeness and beauty of such a world would be a testament to the diversity of planetary environments in the universe. Of course, we're still in the realm of speculation here. Much of what we know about hydrogen-dominated planets comes from theoretical models and indirect observations. But the universe is full of surprises, and the possibility of hydrogen-dominated planets is just another reminder of how much we still don't know. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the true diversity of planetary systems. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember those strange hydrogen-shrouded worlds out there. They challenge our understanding and inspire us to keep exploring. They're a testament to the boundless creativity of the cosmos. The more we learn, the more we realize just how little we know. And that's what makes the journey of discovery so exciting. Okay, let's talk gravity. It's one of those fundamental forces of nature that we often take for granted. But what if I told you that gravity could be the ultimate workout challenge? You know, that invisible force that keeps your feet firmly planted on the ground? It's what makes walking, running, and even standing possible without floating away into the sky. Well, on some planets, gravity is so strong it would make a weightlifter look like a feather. Imagine trying to lift weights in a place where the force pulling you down is much stronger than here on Earth. Imagine a planet, maybe twice the size of Earth, but with 10 times the gravity. The sheer force would be unimaginable. It would be like carrying 10 times your body weight every single moment. Just standing up would be a Herculean effort. Every movement would require immense strength and energy, turning even the simplest tasks into monumental challenges. Your bones would creak under the strain, and your muscles would scream for mercy. The human body, as we know it, would be pushed to its absolute limits. Forget about taking a leisurely stroll. Every step would be a monumental task, requiring careful planning and immense effort. Every step would be a monumental task, like wading through thick mud. The resistance would be constant, making each movement a test of endurance and strength. And don't even get me started on trying to jump. The idea of leaping into the air would be almost laughable. You'd be lucky to get a few inches off the ground. The force pulling you back down would be relentless, making any kind of aerial movement nearly impossible. But here's the thing about high-gravity environments. They can lead to some pretty interesting adaptations. Life finds a way to survive, no matter the conditions. Life on a super-Earth would likely be much denser and more compact, with stronger bones and muscles. These adaptations would be necessary to withstand the intense gravitational forces. Imagine creatures with exoskeletons as tough as steel, providing the necessary support and protection in such a harsh environment. Or plants that grow horizontally to avoid being crushed by their own weight. These plants would have to develop unique structures to survive. It's like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's all based on real science. The possibilities are endless and fascinating. Now you might be thinking, Neil, this is all fascinating, but why should I care about planets with gravity strong enough to turn me into a pancake? Well, there's more to it than just the physical challenges. Well, for starters, it helps us understand the limits of life as we know it. By studying these extreme environments, we can learn more about the resilience and adaptability of life. Could life evolve and thrive in such extreme conditions? It's a question that astrobiologists are eager to answer. The answers could redefine our understanding of biology and the potential for life beyond Earth. It's a question that astrobiologists are eager to answer. The answers could redefine our understanding of biology and the potential for life beyond Earth. And who knows, maybe one day, we'll develop the technology to travel to these super-Earths and witness their wonders firsthand. The future of space exploration holds endless possibilities. Just be sure to pack your gravity boots. The journey to these high-gravity worlds will be an adventure like no other, pushing the boundaries of human endurance and curiosity. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get really weird. We're diving into a cosmic phenomenon that's as mind-bending as it is beautiful. We're talking about planets that change color depending on their distance from their star. Yes, you heard that right. Planets that act like cosmic chameleons, shifting their hues in a dazzling display of celestial magic. It's like something out of a disco fever dream, but it's a real phenomenon. Imagine the universe throwing its own light show, with planets as the main performers. Imagine a planet that's a deep sapphire blue when it's far from its star, almost like a serene, distant ocean world, but as it gets closer it transforms into a fiery ruby red, as if it's heating up and glowing with an intense inner fire. What could possibly cause such a dramatic change in appearance? The answer lies in the fascinating interplay of light and matter. Well, it all comes down to the way light interacts with the planet's atmosphere and surface. The science behind it is as captivating as the visual spectacle itself. You see, different materials absorb and reflect different wavelengths of light. This fundamental property of matter creates the stunning color changes we observe. For example, a planet with an atmosphere rich in methane might appear blue when it's far from its star, as the methane absorbs longer wavelengths of light like red and orange. As the planet gets closer to its star, the increased heat and radiation could cause the methane to break down, revealing a surface that reflects more red light. This breakdown of methane is a key factor in the planet's dramatic color shift. The intense heat and radiation from the star play a crucial role in this transformation, revealing a surface that reflects more red light. Voila, a color-changing planet. This transformation is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. Now, these color changes wouldn't happen overnight. We're talking about gradual shifts over time as the planet orbits its star, creating a slow but mesmerizing dance of colors. The gradual nature of these changes makes them even more fascinating. It's like watching a slow-motion fireworks display where each phase of the orbit brings a new hue. But imagine the possibilities for observation and study. By analyzing these changes, astronomers can unlock secrets about the planet's atmosphere, surface, and even its potential for life. By analyzing the changing colors of these cosmic chameleons, astronomers could learn a great deal about their atmospheric composition, surface temperature, and even their potential for harboring life. This research could revolutionize our understanding of exoplanets. It's just another reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and the more we explore, the more amazing things we discover. Each new discovery adds a piece to the cosmic puzzle, and the more we explore, the more amazing things we discover. The universe is a vast, ever-changing tapestry of wonders, waiting for us to unravel its mysteries. Well, there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the cosmos, explored the mind-boggling possibilities of hydrogen atmospheres, extreme gravity, and color-changing planets. If you're anything like me, your curiosity about the universe is only growing stronger. So if you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. What other cosmic mysteries should we